everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's learn English together with me. Today we are going to learn letter E. Which words that start with letter E? Okay, so today we are going to learn about the vocabulary about the words that start with letter E. Let's go. E is for egg. Egg. E is for ear. Ear. E is for elephant. Elephant. E is for eagle. Eagle. E is for elbow. Elbow. E is for earth. Earth. E is for English. English. E is for England. England. E is for eel. Eel. E is for eyes. Eyes. E is for it. It. E is for envelope. Envelope. E is for excavator. Excavator. E is for email. Email. E is for infant. Infant. E is for exercise. Exercise. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks. See you next time. Bye bye.